Why you should not cook with aluminium foil. Aluminium foil dangers. According to the experts, when aluminium foil comes into direct contact with food, these foods absorb the metal. Cooking at high heat leads to even more leaching, since aluminium foil is almost exclusively used for cooking and baking. It's a serious cause for concern. Brain effects. Aluminium has a tendency to accumulate in the brain and other tissues, making aluminium exposure a serious risk factor for Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative disorders. Researchers have even found that metal has the ability to reduce the growth rate of human brain cells. Lungs. Aluminium can also be inhaled in small quantities when cooking foil-wrapped foods over an open flame. Aluminium that makes its way into your body through inhalation is harder for your body to purge than aluminium that's been ingested or that's made its way into your body through your skin. Bones. The experts also say that aluminium competes with calcium to interfere with bone remineralization. This leads to aluminium accumulating in the bones and high calcium levels in the blood. In turn, patients suffer from low bone density, decreased parathyroid hormone levels and high risk of heart attack and stroke. Aluminium flakes. Aluminium flakes are small pieces of aluminium may break off foil after unwrapping foil covered food. Plus, heat creates little cracks in the foil and makes it more likely to break food and make its way into your food. These flakes aren't necessarily visible to the naked eye, so you may not even know it's there. Here are a few things you can do to limit your exposure. Yes, you shouldn't cook food with aluminium foil. Instead, use a porcelain or cast iron bakeware. And make sure you don't store any spices or acidic foods in aluminium. What you can do is replace aluminium foil with wax paper when baking or storing hot foods. This is also very useful. You can store leftovers in glass reusable containers. Or you can replace aluminium pots and pans as well as cooking utensils with stainless steel. Filter tap water to remove any heavy metals.